What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I am going to show you how to view saved passwords on your Android phone, right? So if you'll find this useful guys, go ahead and give this video a like and hit the subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Now let's jump in. So what you want to do a swipe up on your phone and you want to open up settings. If you're not able to find settings there, just simply use a search and type settings, you'll find it, open that. Then you want to scroll all the way down to where you find Google services, tap on that. Then from here guys, you want to go ahead and click manage your account, manage your Google account. Then do a scroll over guys and you want to tap on security. From there, scroll all the way down guys to where you will find the password manager. There you want to tap on that, and from here you will find all those safe password within your phone. So whatever you want, if you're looking for Instagram, go ahead and search for it and enter your password here and you will find all those passwords for various accounts. All you have to do, just simple tap on the eye and it will show you those passwords. If you're looking for Facebook, is the same thing guys. Simple tap Facebook, tap on it and you'll find all those accounts in your phone with the Facebook password. Just simple tap on it, the eye, and you'll be able to find those passwords. It doesn't matter which application you want to use, go ahead and search for those passwords and you'll be able to view those passwords. Apple is the same, tap on them and you'll be able to find them. And that's all there is to it guys. Very easy and very simple.